in creating. Diba?
Yeah, from scratch?
Yes, from scratch. And then parang I always see my character as a blank slate. Tapos ikaw na rin yung maglalagay doon ng mga ng personality, characteristics, values, beliefs, etc. etc. Syempre sa tulong din yan ng inputs ng directors or creatives kasi they give you what's there's a given, and then ikaw na yung bahala to build from there.
And I do know na yung nga mahilig ka mag-create ng characters from scratch. So how was the journey creating Jasmine?
Ang daming ilang beses din akong nakapag meet and collaborate with our directors, Direct Manny and Direct Jojo. I remember there was one time na we were having dinner, and then even yung mga nuances, anong pwede nating gawin, anong pwede nating idagdag, basta lahat ng mga detalye for the character pinag-uusapan, and then parang nagko-convene, so kailangan dapat mag-agree.
Oo.
But then it's still different when you do the actual shoot kasi may mga lumalabas na hindi ito napag-usapan, but that felt natural.
Yeah. So you did that. And alam ko lagi ka may bagong ginagawa pag may bago kang proyekto. And dito parang nakita ko, you took on boxing. Diba? You took on, ano yung with the sticks? Arnis ba yun?
Arnis,
How was it? Kamusta yun?
For this one kasi very physical yung role because this is an action drama genre. So we had to train for the role. Ang ABS-CBN naman, they got people talaga to work with us. Diba? Parang to hone our skills sa whatever it's required, diba? Kung boxing man yan, kung arnis man yan, kung gun shooting man yan.
They get the best.
Oh, yes, of course. And yeah, so we train almost every day because bukod pa
Since
dun
May? Since, or before
even
May?
Tapos bukod pa kasi dun, we also do strength and conditioning. Diba, we don't want naman anyone getting injured, diba, during the shoot. So yun yung mga ilan sa mga preparasyon na ginawa namin para sa Lavender Field.
Parang sobrang daming hugot. At yung kanina nga, yung tinitis pa lang yung unang trailer na hindi pa yung full, di ba? Tapos parang nakita ko lahat nagsusuot ng maskara. So, anong maskara sinuot mo rito para mag-switch, mag-iba-iba?
Well, actually, kasi parang in real life, I believe naman that we all wear masks, diba? Parang may mga persona tayo na kailangan na i-put on natin, especially kung may mga sitwasyon na mag-arise, diba? But with Lavender Fields kasi, she had to wear a mask. She had to pretend to be somebody she's not. Kasi may kailangan siyang gawin. Kasi may objective yung character. And for her to be able to meet her objectives, she had to be someone she's not.
Do you believe that, do you deliberately choose strong female roles for women empowerment? Or do they just land in your lap? Parang na, ano yun, yung parang the secret mo sila?
Actually, kasi right now, me and my manager, Mother B-Boy, we're very actually deliberate in choosing roles that really, parang katulad ni Lavender Fields, katulad ni Lav, katulad ni Dr. Jill, katulad ni Marisa, katulad ni Amor Power. So, gusto namin yung mga ganong klaseng mga roles for me, and we're like what I said kanina, we're deliberate about it. So talagang pag nakakakita kami ng mga ganyang klaseng roles, kinikilig kami.
Fight na to.
Oo, but at the same time, kailangan meron pa rin component na bago na what about this project na hindi pa natin nagawa before. What is it about the project na hindi natin nagawa before?
And with this one, syempre talagang, yun nga, no, how important is it for you na ito yung mga ipiliin mong character, di ba, for your fans?
I believe kasi ang mga napapanood natin sa telebisyon o sa pelikula, ito yung mga sitwasyon na sumasalamin sa totoong buhay. May mga tao na maaaring sa buhay nila, may mga bagay sila na hindi nila fully ma-express. Dahil sa mga kadahilanang hindi natin maipaliwanag, diba? And I believe na nakakakita sila ng strength, nakakahanap sila ng solace sa mga characters na sabihin nating sa simula naging biktima, pero hindi na natiling biktima, lumaban.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Babaeng palaban. And speaking of that, yun nga, no, yung you don't remain a victim. And dito nga, that's right, di ba? You can encourage people with the roles that you choose na baka mag-open up din sila because of what you are portraying, even if it's fictional.
Oo, na parang, kung nagawa ni Jasmine, baka
Ni Lav.
pwede rin naman,
Oo.
ni Lavender, baka pwede ring mangyari sa akin to.
Yun na nga. Huwag naman yung masama. Kasi parang grabe yung laban.
Oo, na maaari, kumbaga marami namang iba't ibang
Oo.
paraan ng paglaban.
Oo.
Hindi naman lagi kailangan makipagsuntukan.
Tukan ka. Hindi, pero nakita ko kasi yung umpisa pa lang, feeling ko parang medyo na-grasp na agad. No? Sobrang ganda nung trailer na nagulat lang ako nung pinapanood siya na talagang nakita mo kung gaano nakasakit yung pinagdaanan niya. Pero shooting it actually, gaano baka nawalang hiya si Jasmine dito?
Kasi syempre, I mean, klaro naman sa nakita nating trailer do, may masasakit pa ba na mawalan ka ng mga taong pinaka-importante sa buhay mo? Can you just imagine na mailagay ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi ka lang nawalan ng ina, nawalan ka rin ng anak.
Grabe, postpartum.
Oh, so ano pang
kakalabas lang.
So anong gagawin mo? Hindi ba? Parang I think yun na yata yung pinakamasakit na pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Yung mawala yung pinaka-importanting bagay or pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay mo.
Grabe. Gusto ko yung kinikwento mo at sa ngiti ka. Parang angel ka pa rin, no? Pag kinikwento mo, parang, di ba? Like, in person, hindi ko, grabe yung switch mo on, in person. Like, it's like, wow. Parang, alam mo ba, napaka-angelic. Tapos, biglang palaban. But, wait lang, this was shot in the North.
Yes.
Yes, and how were the shooting conditions like? How was it shooting with Echo?
We shot in Atok Benguet.
Wow, ang
Ang
ganda.
ganda. Ang ganda.
Grabe
Actually,
nga.
We were shooting during the summer and because ang taas ng altitude ng Atok Benguet, malamig siya.
Oh.
Actually, para minsan may mga nights na 10 degrees siya.
Oh, wow.
So, ma-press ko. And there would be days na kung saan umuulan. Tapos may mga days na, okay, kailangan namin mag-intay ng shot kasi
Oo.
biglang foggy, wala ka nang makita. So, maraming mga ganun. But then, nag-enjoy kami. Working with Echo naman, I just feel so happy. I feel blessed to be working with him again. Because the last time we worked together was in Pangako Sa'yo.
Yeah,
This
oh
was
my
in 2001, if I'm not mistaken. So, ngayon na nakasama ko ulit siya, parang, alam mo yung, that feeling na, ang dami na nangyari, ibang tao na kami from the time na una kami nagkatrabaho, pero same pa din.
No, but in terms of yung nuances niya as actors, yung talent, pinapansin ka ba sa nag-mature ba kayo? Of course, syempre nag-mature kayo, but like, yung attack nyo and style nyo in executing scenes?
I think with Jericho, from the time na nakatrabaho ka siya, parang, when parang pag nakaka-eksena ko siya, minsan parang nakakalimutan ko, pinapanood ko siya eh.
Oo.
Kasi sobrang natural. So, nakakatuwa.
Parang
na hindi
ikaw.
na ina-acting yung eksena. It's as if yun na talaga nangyayari. Ganyan.
Last, Lot, and Janine. Grabe. Grabe. How was it?